Good morning, dear children. Last video we have learned a rounding of the numbers nearest 10, 100 and 1000, and now today we will start exercise number 2.5, which is based on the same topic. Question is, round up the following numbers to the nearest 100 and calculate the estimated and the actual sum. Question 1a is 2134 plus 5690. To solve this sum, first of all we will rounding of the numbers nearest 100, and for that like this 2134. For that, if the digit in the ones place, in 100 place is 1, underline that digit and observe the tens place digit. If the digit in the tens place is 5 or less than 5, then the digit on the 100 place will not change, means 1 will remain 1, 2 will be as it is, and the digit in the tens place and rest of the places will be 0, means our rounded off number is 2100, right? Same way, next number is 5690. Here also we are going to rounding off nearest 100, so 100 place will be underlined and observe the tens place. If the digit in the tens place is 5 or more than 5, then the digit in the 100 place will increase by 1, means 6 plus 1 it will become 7. 5 will be as it is and rest of the digits will be 0, means our rounded off number is 5700, right? Now two numbers we found. Now we will add these numbers. We better know how to add the numbers horizontally, and I have added ones place plus one place, tens place plus tens place, and so on, and my answer is 7800, and this number is called, or this answer is called estimated sum, right? Because we have rounded off nearest 100, we have added, so this is called estimated sum. Now to find an actual sum, we will add the actual numbers. Actual number means what the numbers you are given, these are actual numbers, right? These are the rounded off numbers. So we will add these two numbers, 2134 plus 5690, and my answer is 7824. You can add like this or horizontally, both way you can add, and our answer will be same, 7824. This is the actual sum, right students? So this is our estimated sum and this is our actual sum, right? B1 is your homework. C1 we will do. Number is 4500 plus 4000. Dear students, here if you observe, these numbers are already rounded off, right? Suppose if you are going to try to rounding off nearest 100, so look at this. This 100 place is 5, so observe the tens place. If the digit in the tens place is 5 or less than 5, then the digit in the 100 place will not be changed, means 5 will be 5 and the rest of the digits will be 0, so these are already zeros. Same way here also, means there is no need to rounding off here. Directly we will add this. There will be not estimated sum, only actual sum will have to find, and the numbers 4500 plus 4000 is equal to 8500, and this is called actual sum. Now question number 2, round off the following numbers to the nearest 100 and calculate the estimated and actual differences. Actually this question is the same like question 1, just here we will find the difference, means we will do the subtraction. First one is 7890 minus 1234. First of all, we will rounding off the numbers nearest 100. Have a look here. First number is 7890. To rounding off nearest 100 place, 100 place will be underlined and tens place will be observed. If the digit in the tens place is 5 or more than 5, then the digit in the 100 place will increase by 1, means 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 7 will be as it is and tens place and 1 place digit will be 0, means this is our estimated number. Here also tens plus 100 place digit is 2 and we will observe the tens place which is less than 5, means 2 will not be changed, means 1 will as it is, 2 will be as it is and rest of the digits will be 0, right? Now we have two new numbers. We will subtract to find the estimated difference and my answer is 6700. This is the estimated difference. Now to find an actual difference, we will subtract actual numbers. Actual number means this numbers what you are given already. This number we will subtract and our answer is 6656. This is called actual difference. Understood, students? Estimated difference and actual difference. Right? Now question 2b and C is your homework. I am sure you will do it. If any doubt, you can contact me. Question number 3. Circle the two numbers that have an estimated difference to the nearest 100 of 3000. Means we have to find those two numbers which difference is estimated difference is nearest 3000. So have a look what will be done. Look at here, 1, 2 and 3. These three numbers you are given. So we'll try first this number minus this number. 5689 minus 2389. So our answer is 3300. Now if we are rounding off nearest 100, so it is already rounded off, right? There is no need to rounding off again. So our answer is 3300. But we want estimated difference of nearest 100 and which is to be 3000. So now we'll try with next two numbers, this number and this number. So I have subtracted here and my answer is 3031. Now if this answer, if I am going to rounding off nearest 100, so 100 place digit will be underlined. Observe the tens place. If the digit in the tens place is less than 5, then the digit in the 100 place will not change, means 0 will be 0, 3 already as it is and rest of the digits will be 0, means my estimated or rounded off number is 3000. It means these two numbers are there which have an estimated difference of 3000, means we will circle out this and this number. You can see in the textbook which I have circled, right? So these are the two correct numbers. Thank you and have a nice day, students. I hope this much part is clear. If any doubt, you can contact me. Thank you.